making a new playlist, driving tips. I'm going to give a bunch of tips on how to drive safely, on things to avoid when you're out on the road, like other cars hitting you and how they would hit you. It's going to be basically just a bunch of tips on driving, which you may not know about. Maybe the book didn't teach you, or maybe you just don't have a lot of a driving experience. It's possible. Maybe you're watching videos getting ready to drive. So they definitely have basics, and I think your driver manual will probably cover all of the basics. As for getting out on the road and actually gaining experience, that's a different story. So I have been in accidents, and I have seen a lot of accidents, and the most important part is I've avoided a lot of accidents. And so this playlist is created to help keep you safe and possibly avoid danger out on the roadway. They will mostly probably be shorts, some long form. I think a mix of both. This has been a playlist I have been wanting to create for a while, and figured I would just start today with an intro. Since it is a driving tip video, it should be more than just a little intro. I should give at least one tip to start off the playlist. So the tip for today will be driving in the rain. And when you drive in the rain, obviously it can be more slippery than dry because we don't have as much traction. There's another thing that happens, is the oil that is on the road that is left from all the cars actually creates a film when the rain comes up, and can create an even slipperier pavement than just regular pavement that's wet. Let's say like a sidewalk. The oil will drip off of your transmission and your engine onto the roadway. So be prepared when you come up to stop signs or you're taking turns, that if you're braking coming up to one of these areas, your braking effectiveness can be drastically reduced if you're in one of those slippery, oily sections. Also, when you're changing lanes, you can run into that oil, which is a little slicker. So just be aware in rainy days. Overall, increase your distance so you can stop earlier. Maybe give yourself 4 seconds instead of 3, and just brake a little bit earlier, and that will give the people behind you some time to slow down rather than coming up and maybe possibly even rear-ending you. So that's the intro, and be prepared for a bunch of great tips coming that will help you keep safe on the roadway. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.